Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to share Game Pass with all other accounts on your Xbox. So sign into your main account, whatever it is that you buy games on and you have Game Pass, and then go to the top and go to Settings. Then under General, go to Personalization right here. And then go to My Home Xbox. And then set this as My Home Xbox. And this says when you set this to My Home Xbox, you can download games on this account and you can share Game Pass to all other accounts. So just make sure you're downloading the games on your main account and then they should be accessible by your other accounts. So just go to My Games right here, see all, and then download them here. And you should be good to go to share Game Pass with all other accounts on your Xbox. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.